Hi everyone! Thanks for joining me. We've got a really cute story time coming up. It's called the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin. Here it is. So cute. Okie dokie, here we go. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin rolled down a spooky street. Okay, so the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin rolled down a spooky street. I'm waiting for my little dog Ruby to walk in front of the camera here. There's the next pages. It says, he passed a ghoulish ghost and stinky goblin feet. Ew. He traveled past a cornfield. Corn. You eat your corn on the cob. And then the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin quickly bounced away. Then the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin quickly bounced away. Oh, let's see here. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin didn't want to roam, sorry. He tried so hard to find his way home. Luckily, a passing witch helped him on his way. Oh, that was nice of her. And the Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin was home by the end of the day. The Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin was home by the end of the day. Thanks for joining me for Itsy Bitsy Pumpkin. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can find out all about our great content.